Access modifier. In other programming languages, there are usually keywords that can be used to determine access modifiers for a function or variable. In Golang, to specify an access modifier, just name the function or variable. If the name starts with a capital letter, it means it can be accessed from other packages. If it starts with a lowercase letter, it means it cannot be accessed from other packages. In this scenario, we have created a package named helper with a file named base package. Within this package, we have defined two variables, version with a lowercase initial letter and application with an uppercase initial letter. The purpose of capitalizing the initial letter of application is to make it accessible from outside the package, effectively making it public. Additionally, we've created two functions, sayHello and sayPrivate. The former is exported and the latter is not. Moving on to the Go file, we import the helper package and use its exported variables and functions. We create a variable named application and initialize it with the value of application from the helper package. This showcases the visibility of variables declared with an uppercase initial letter, allowing them to be accessed outside the package. Furthermore, we create a variable named say and assign it the value returned by the sayHello function from the helper package. This demonstrates the accessibility of exported functions from outside the package. Now it's time for us to print to see the results.